Pay the piper. Welcome to the Know the Difference Minute. Only days after claiming they had no intention of paying a ransom, turns out Colonial Pipeline has sent nearly $5 million in untraceable cryptocurrency to Eastern European hackers. After that, Colonial was given a decrypting tool to restore the computer network and get the country's largest fuel pipeline back online, starting at 5 last night. We all saw it, panic buying that created shortages across the Southeast with long lines, fistfights, and people filling up plastic bags with gasoline. As of this morning, 71% of North Carolina stations were dry, 55% in Virginia, and almost half in Georgia. The whole thing pushed the national average past $3 a gallon. And since the Colonial Pipeline only flows at 5 miles per hour, catching up could take days or even weeks. By the way, ransomware attacks have increased 62% since 2019. I'm Dave Spano from Annex Wealth Management, and that's your Know the Difference Minute.